Hey, a little different video today. I'm bringing you the Stevens 301 turkey gun. This is gonna be my daughter's gun. She's 9 years old. She really likes hunting, and she killed her first turkey last year with my gun, and it's way too much gun. But never been a fan of a 410, but I'm gonna try it. This Stevens gun was made to use the Federal Premium TSS. I got some 9.5 and 8 shot I'm gonna try, and then I got a local company, the Verdict Ammunition, 9.5 shot, about 65 miles from me in Harlan, Kentucky. I'm gonna give them a shot. So let's dial it in and see what it does. Alright, first up I got the Federal TSS 9.5 shot. Let's give it a whirl. Let's go down here and check it out. Forgot to mention this was at 20 yards. Looks like my pattern's concentrated right there. I need to make some adjustments on the red dot. I haven't sighted. This is my first time shooting it. Let's adjust it, try it again. Okay, we got her dialed in. Like I said, this is 20 yards. This is the 9.5 shot. This shot will be Federal TSS. Let's go have a look. It looks like I'm still hitting to the right a little bit, but I do have several in the kill zone. Let's shoot the 8s and see what happens. All right, Federal 8s, trying them. TSS Federal. That don't look bad. There's a lot right here in the kill zone. It's kind of spread out though. Let's try the Verdict and see what happens. Apologize, it's windy out here today. But, got the Vertex now. 9.5 shot. Let's see what they got. Man, that is a good pattern. Look at that. I don't know if you can see them. There is a bunch in there. Holy cow. I'm gonna swap chokes. Choke that was recommended for me. Let's see what it does. Alright, I'm gonna put this Carlson's heavyweight TSS 410 choke. Try that out, extra full. Let's see what it does with the Verdict in it. Alright, trying the Verdict with the Carlson choke in it. Let's go check it out. Pretty tight pattern too. I don't know, we'll compare the two. There's a lot of double hits right there. Please note, this is at 20 yards. It's windy out here today, I'm sorry. Let's go compare the two. And then here's the Carlson's. That's the choke tube I used. Pretty sweet. Shot a little bit higher, it seems like. It's 115 pellets in the kill zone. This was the stock with the Verdict. 95 in the kill zone. I believe that Carlson's did it. verdict ammunition actually shot a little bit better than the Federal in my instance. But like I said, it's a cheap gun, so it could vary for everyone, your situation. It came with the red dot on it. It just says red dot, so it's a El Cheapo. I will probably get something different to put on there later, but right now that's what she's going to run with this year. I appreciate you coming and watching. I'll get mine out here in the next day or two. We'll try it with some different ammo. Y'all have a good one.